How to create a video in Canva with music. So here's a step-by-step guide to create a video in Canva with music, quick and beginner friendly. So let's get started. First of all, go to the canva.com or go to the Canva app, then log in with your Canva account free or pro. Then all you have to do is click on the create a new design by tapping on the plus icon available at the left hand side panel. Then once you tap on the create, select video or mobile video depending on your need. For example, for YouTube, Instagram or TikTok, you can simply upload it. But here I'm simply taking from the Canva videos. So now let me search for it and choose one according to my preferences. So here I choose this video. Now in order to add the music, let me just simply tap on the elements option available at the left hand side panel of my screen. Once I tap on the elements, you will get to see audio option available there. Now all you have to do is tap on the scroll down and tap on the more option available there and choose any audio according to your preferences, or simply tap on the search address bar and search for one specific audio. Let me just simply tap on one according to my preferences. Then all you have to do is arrange clips and images in the timeline editor and adjust duration of the audio as well. You can drag and trim music in the timeline. You can also add text, animation, effects, stickers, and many more. Then, once satisfied, click on the share and download it to your device. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.